Hey guys, it's Kat. I am back with y'all today and I've created this hot cocoa inspired eye makeup look. I want to do a series on my channel with things you associate with the season that it is. So right now I'm thinking snowflakes, snow, hence my snowflake tutorial. I'll link it if you haven't seen it yet. And naturally I thought, well, how about hot chocolate? Let me know what you think of that idea. And I have a lot of ideas for spring, summer, fall, all of them. And I have some more videos planned as well for my winter series. But yeah, if you wanna see how to get this eye look, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I know I probably look really weird right now. We're gonna even this out. Okay, let's get started. So I already have this eye primed and set, and I just used concealer to prime and then skin toned eyeshadow to set that down. Now I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe M330 brush, and I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and take this shade here and mix it with this shade. And I'm gonna use those as my transition colors. And I'll just be taking that into my crease and just diffusing it out. Sorry if you can hear the plane. Oh, I just got a text, sorry about that. Okay, so now that we have our transition color down, well, I will be going in with my Morphe M518 and my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette yet again. This shade and the shade right below it. These two shades here. Just start deepening up the crease. I'm applying this shade a little bit lower than the others. And then I'm taking my first brush again and kind of just diffusing the edges. Okay, like so. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 and we're gonna deepen it up even more. We gotta work up to it. Okay, so I'm taking this shade and this shade here on that brush and starting to deepen up my crease in the outer V of my crease. We're building up the depth and darkness so when we put the brown on the lid, it won't be so crazy. Want it all to just blend seamlessly. And then again, take first brush, no extra product or anything, and just buff it out again. Like so. And then we are going to be putting on some glitter primer. That way we can get the pigment to stick down better. So I'm taking a little piece size of that on my finger and starting to put it on my lid where I'm going to be applying the coppery brown. Now we're going to be going in with the lid color, and I'm taking a little flat concealer brush. I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus just to intensify the color. And I'm going to go into my chocolate gold palette from Too Faced, and I'm going to be taking the shade Love and Coco right here and picking that up on my little flat concealer brush, and I'm going to start putting that on my eyeball. Kind of carving out my crease slightly there, but we're gonna blend it also. So just picking up more and just building that color up till I have it where I want it. This is really making me want hot chocolate right now because it's cold outside and it's chocolate. I mean, come on. Chocolate's just the best thing ever. I'm just blending up the edge of that a little bit right now. We'll do more blending in a minute. And now I'm gonna be taking my finger actually and picking up Gold Dip from this palette also. And I'm actually gonna be putting this on the very inner part of my lid. Not necessarily the inner corners, but just the very, very inner part of my lid to kind of brighten that area a tiny, tiny bit. I was going with my finger in the Love and Coco shade and actually tap over that line that where those two colors meet and just intensifying the color in other places too, because these shadows apply really well with your fingers. So yes, I probably should have grabbed a tissue, but I'll just use my shorts because they're my PJ shorts and I really do not want to get up right now. Okay, so now that we have that down, we're gonna be adding deeper colors into the outer via the eye. So I'm gonna be taking my Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm gonna be going into this, oh god, this dark brown and the black shade here. I can't do that. I don't know how people do that. It confuses me. Anyway, I'm taking those two. I'm just taking the darkest brown and the darkest black from that shadow, that palette, and applying that to the outer V of my eye. I have a song stuck in my head right now that won't stop, and it's probably that I'm okay with it because I really like the song, but it's just stuck. It's kind of distracting me a little bit. I'm just going in with previous brushes and diffusing that color through a bit right now. This is supposed to be an eye makeup tutorial, not just me babbling, but I think me babbling is kind of just already gonna happen. So I'm just softening up all those lines right now, like so. Hey, we don't look as crazy now. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more of the Love and Coco just on my finger again and tapping it on to the very center a little bit just to bring it back. We lost it a little bit during the blending. Now we're gonna go and move on to the lower lash line. So I will be taking my little Anastasia Beverly Hills brush right here. I'm gonna take it this side right here, and I'm gonna be picking up the first few transition colors that we used. And, oh god, okay. Putting it on my lower lash along, right. And then I'm gonna take my Morphe M432 little flat brush, and I'm gonna be dipping into the darkest brown that we used and lining right along my lower lash line till about halfway. I'm not gonna bring it in too much because I don't want the inner corners to be so dark. And then I'm taking my little brush right here again and just a little transition shade and blending that in. So we have that done now. I'm gonna take the little flat shader brush again, and I'm gonna pick up the black, and I'm actually gonna put it like along my upper lash line, but just the very outer part of it. Give like a faux liner effect. Is that what it's called? I honestly can't remember it right now. It's Monday, so my brain's still a little bit gone right now. Okay, now we are going to highlight the inner corner in the brow bone. So I'm going to be taking this little baby accent brush. It's a Precision Beauty brush, and I'm going to be taking the second shade in my Jaclyn Hill palette. It's a shimmery white gold, and putting that on my inner corners. This is still my favorite part of my makeup look. I don't know why. Something about it really just makes everything come together. This video is gonna be a mess to edit. I am not on my game today, so bear with me, y'all. Okay, so I think I have that where I want it. I hope I have that where I want it. Now I'm gonna take my little Urban Decay brush that I got with one of my palettes, and I'm gonna take the pencil side and picking up the very first shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone now. And just blending that line there. Like so. Now we are gonna add some liner to my tight line up here. Just some black liner. I'm using the NYX Retractable eyeliner in black. Don't try to poke your eye out like I did earlier. And now I'm gonna take my ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Overboard, which is a metallic brown color, matches actually the lid color perfectly. coincidentally. And I'm gonna put this on the waterline. Woo, okay. Now for a little extra pop, I'm gonna be taking another ColourPop cream gel liner, but this is in Get Paid, it's the rose gold, and I'm putting that just on the inner part of my waterline. I like doing this. It gives a little extra something to me than just the brown when I do this look, because I've done this look before multiple times. I just very much like the effect it gives. And there you go. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put on mascara. And I will put on some lipstick because my lips look sickly right now. And we will be back to finish this all up. All right, guys, that wraps up this hot cocoa inspired eye makeup look. I hope you'd enjoy it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.